Hi, I'm James Shore. I've been practicing test-driven development for over 20 years, and later this year, I'm presenting a course called Faster, More Effective Test-Driven Development. Now, what do I mean by faster, more effective test-driven development? Well, let me show you. 7 years ago, I launched a screencast called Let's Code Test-Driven JavaScript. You can probably imagine what it was about. But to run this site, I decided to build the server myself from scratch in Node.js. It's a non-trivial application. It has a web server, of course, but also a sophisticated content management engine, authentication and authorization, as well as subscriptions. It's thoroughly tested, naturally, with a very effective suite of tests. They're not flaky, so they don't fail randomly. They actually make it easier to refactor, not more difficult. But I would say the strongest indicator of how good the tests are is the fact that over the last 7 years, I've had 2 or 3 bugs per year. Now, how long do you think it takes to run this entire test suite? Like I said, it's very thorough. I'll give you a hint. There's 998 tests. What I'm about to show you is the full release build. When this build passes, I feel safe to release. Let's see how long it takes. "9 seconds. 5 seconds if you don't count the linter. That's what I mean by faster, more effective test-driven development. And that's what I'm teaching in my course later this year. You can find out more at the link on your screen. Thanks very much for listening, and I hope to see you there.